Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do the power shot in a match in of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So before we start, I made this video for new player that new into this game. So previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So there are a new feature here, a power shot. So you can make a super shot or powerful shot or powerful finishing. So let's get started by tapping the play button, tap the live events and go to the kick off. And this is the example of the how you can do the power shot. There was a video like that. You can do it two ways here. Hold the shot button or make it a slide button like that, and the power will be a purple highlight, and and there are some zoom effect when you are do this power shot. So thank you for watching. Please learn how to power shot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. As always, thanks for the below. Enjoy the game.